Hey guys, it's Katie from Cerebrum Studio, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can create multiple formatted videos simultaneously. With Cerebrum Studio's video editor, you can create multiple different aspect ratios from your videos for your different social media platforms. This means that you can upload one video to Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, LinkedIn, Twitter, any social media platform. Your videos can be transformed to be appropriate for all these different social media platforms. The aspect ratios for different social media platforms are all completely different. It's super important that the content you're uploading to each of these social media platforms is appropriate and suitable for that particular platform. Let's get into a quick demo showing how this can be done using Cerebrum Studio's video editor. You open up your browser and search Cerebrum and go to cerebrum.com. Then you log into your account. You can get a 2-week free trial with Cerebrum, so don't worry about this at all, as you can test out the software first. You then upload the video that you would like to create multiple different versions of. So as you can see here, we have a purple cropper tool where you can select how much of your video you would like to transform into different versions and what you would like to include in the frame and what you'd like to disregard. You can do this simply to change the aspect ratio of the video that you have filmed to something else that would be more appropriate, or because you want to remove specific elements of your video. So if you would like specifically to create multiple versions of your video for different social media platforms, the handy row of social media icons at the bottom here signifies the correct size for each social media platform. So you simply click on one of them to create the desired size for that platform. So for example, to create a video that is an appropriate size for YouTube, you simply click on the YouTube icon and then it will be transformed to that correct aspect ratio. To create multiple crop versions of your video, you simply click add another aspect ratio on the bottom right hand side here to select more aspect ratios. So you then click on make at the top right hand side once you're happy to move on to the video editor. So this is where you can make any additional edits to your video that you might wish to add, such as adding text, images, music, or so on. Once you're happy with any edits that you've made to your video here, click on the preview button on the upper right hand corner and you're then taken to this page where you can download as many versions of your video as you need, be emailed directly to the email associated with your Cerebrum account. As I mentioned previously, Cerebrum does offer a 2-week free trial, so I'll leave all of the information that you need down below. You can just go to cerebrum.com, check out the 2-week free trial, check out the software and let us know your thoughts. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, just let us know and I'll see you in the next one.